Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get every Buttcoin stash. First, familiarize yourself with the game's unique mechanics for finding hidden collectibles. Pay close attention to your surroundings for any subtle visual cues, like a faint glow or an unusual texture. Always thoroughly check common hiding spots, including tight corners, behind large objects, and on top of elevated platforms. This foundational approach will help you uncover many of the stashes right from the start of your adventure. Next, elevate your search with advanced strategies. Consult your in-game map for any marked secret areas, or explore community-created guides for detailed locations. Pay close attention to the game's sound design. Often, a unique audio cue will signal that a Buttcoin stash is nearby. Engaging with non-player characters can also yield valuable hints, unlock side quests leading to stashes, or even reveal hidden pathways. These methods are crucial for finding the more elusive collectibles. To further aid your quest, leverage available tools and abilities. Seek out and acquire specialized equipment, such as a Buttcoin detector or a scanning device, which can highlight hidden items within a certain radius. Invest in upgrading your character's perception or search-related skills. This can significantly increase your detection range and effectiveness. Additionally, actively participate in community forums and wikis, where players often share invaluable tips and precise locations for every single stash. Finally, to ensure you collect every single Buttcoin stash, maximize your collection efforts. Make it a point to revisit areas after completing major objectives or story arcs, as new stashes might become accessible. Dedicate time to meticulously explore every accessible corner of the game world, leaving absolutely no stone unturned. Maintain a detailed record or checklist of all the stashes you have already found, preventing any redundant searching and ensuring 100% completion. Happy hunting!
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.